how to make money on Clapper app. The first thing you should know is Clapper app is a social media app like TikTok, and it's new. Because it's new, the sponsorship and deals are very much in that application. And if you do whatever I tell you in this video, you can make $100 per day at minimum in this app. The first way is Clapper Fam tiers. Set up to 3 subscription tiers with varying benefits, allowing followers to support you monthly in exchange for exclusive content or perks. It's like Discord. You actually create a group, a special group that you put value on that, and then you monetize that group for yourself. It's new and it's like TikTok, I already told you. The second way is live streams. Engage with your audience in real time. Viewers can send you visual gift, that is diamond, and you can actually convert them into real money. And as you can see, these are diamonds. You can actually get them while live streaming, or the people can donate you these diamonds. The third way is Clapper Shop. It's exactly like TikTok Shop. You can actually sell anything that you want, so it's a big benefit for you. You can actually boost sales opportunities. You can actually start campaigns and see the results. By leveraging these features and consistently producing quality content, creators have the potential to earn up to 3K a month on Clapper. Because it's new, you can get more sponsor and more deals. Thanks for watching this video. If this video was helpful for you, please like it and subscribe to the channel.